The big brand sale is on at OK Furniture and it's too good to miss. Enjoy massive savings on brands you know and love. And when you spend 2,999 or more, you'll stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 50,000 rands. Browse our catalog and grab your favorites before the 4th of May 2025. While stocks last, T's and C's apply.
It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times.co.za. It's Kukune United 1, Orlando Pirates 0, Orlando Stadium. Kumdlalo we-Betway Premiership. Namhlanje Mr. 2-2. Orlando Pirates has lost. Umdlalo bekusuppose ukuthi bawinile. A game they dominated, a game they had the chances ukuthi bascore, but Sekhukhune, set piece, corner kick, header, goal, kwavala amasango e-Orlando Stadium. Mr. 2-2, ngicela ukubulisa Mhlekazi kunjani?
Amhlekazi omhle.
Mr. 2-2.
Ungasukubhubha ngecawe. Ngibulise wena Shane, ngibulise Mr. Nkewu, ngibulise Stizi, ngibulise Chairman, ngibulise uBobo Khaduso. Ngiyambonela uyasmile. Ngibulise uLindo Mkwena. Ngibulise nane emakhaya ngicela support njalo iDisk TV. Ngizobeka nje njalo ngijiki futhi.
Kubani osmile Mr. 2?
Hey, awusmile uBobo Khaduso.
Hey, he's in a very good mood. Namhlanje
ndoda namhlanje. Singathola nemali enyana namhlanje makunje. Ungaphuma lana Shane sohleka uyi1 nje uhambe la phezulu. Uzibuza ukuthi kanjani kanti no uKhaduso nawo izinto ngathi zihamba kahle lapha kuye. Shane, you know, there's two things in football.
yeah.
The one who need it most and the one who need it. Yefuna, but when you funa more than men. That's what happened between Iskukuni and Orlando Pirates. The Pirates, they were playing as if a team that I think coming mailing in top 8. Not a team that wants to win the league.
You read my mind, yes. Ngokuthethayo ebenza ukubuza, my next question was i-Orlando Pirates namhlanje so idlalele njengeteam efuna ileague na okanye idlalele njengeteam efuna nje 3 points.
No. Awuza ngisho ngithi badlale njengeteam efuna ngena ku top 8. Njengamakhosi for life. Badlale ngathi bafuna ngena ku top 8. Abadlalanga njengabantu abafuna ukuwina ileague.
Yeah.
You know, when you want to win the league, number one, your lineup tells us. Yasibonisa lineup yakho ukuthi you mean business, you want to win. I don't know why Maketlin bekahlele ngaphandle. 2, I don't know why Umbatha amkhiphile. Shane, you know lento lena yokuthi uware engamaqande nkukhu engakawabeki. It's a problem. Because masucabanga ukuthi izozala. Izoqhuma lapha iqanda kanti no ngakabekwa neqanda khona lapho. You cannot worry about the derby while we are playing tonight.
Yeah.
You've got 3 points tonight that you need to focus on it and get it done, finish, done and dusted. And then tomorrow, that's when you can think of a derby. Because that derby again, it's another 3 points. It's the very same 3 points.
And
same applies to this one.
You might even lose that 3 points again.
It's possible.
Possible.
It's possible. This is football. Yeah. It's possible that amakhosi afuna ngena ku top 8 and ngathi yo iPirates ebamisile lapha ku border gate ukuthi ba check ama passport. If ama passport are right bayangena. So you know I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed with Orlando Pirates. They didn't show that they really want to win the league. I don't care this thing of data, and I always fight with Ulindo ngalento lena ye data. Ngithi mina this thing of data, it's for me it does make sense. We watch the Premier League week in week out. Week in week out, we see these players playing Champions League. Wednesday they play Carabao Cup, Copa del Rey.
Yeah.
They play all these games. Where's the data now? Where's the data? If we want to talk about the data, where's the data, those guys? Because here at home, as soon as they 2 weeks, they play weekend Wednesday, the boys are tired. But we watch Premier League, we watch La Liga Lapana, they play Wednesday weekend. Now we want, there's a game of Barcelona and Inter Milan.
Yeah.
Champions League, they're playing. They just finished playing on when was it?
Saturday.
On Saturday,
Copa del Rey,
finally.
yeah.
So during the week they were also playing the Champions League. So are you saying these guys are tired? This data thing for me, I don't know how. Who came with that name data? Because it seems like Martin, people are confused now with this data thing because no players, the fatigue and all of that. But I ask myself, why these overseas teams, they play week in, week out. I've never heard these coaches talking about the data, players they need a rest, players this and that. I've never heard that.
From what you saw on Amhlanje Lekimi Paris when I saw Paris, we know Guti, they've played every single game in the league so far this season. They played so many games the MTN8. The only game of Pomekoyo Ili, it was a Telkom. I mean, it was the Carling Knockout Cup.
Yeah.
So judging from their first game up until now, did you see any signs of fatigue from players of Orlando Paris and Amhlanje?
No. I don't see fatigue, but I see coach changer. I don't know what's the reason behind that. That's why ungizwa ngikhuluma ngalento lena ye data, and then they will tell you data, the muscles, what. They will try to justify the reasons why certain players are not playing. But nevertheless, Shane, if you want to win the league, you go all out.
So I want to ask you something. Sisuka January, just recently, the January transfer window. The team that is about to win the league for the 8th time, that is in the final of the CAF Champions League, they saw the need to reinforce their team. The team that came second in the last 2 seasons came with January. They didn't see any need to reinforce their squad. They had a problem with one of their best performing players this season. One of their highest goal assist they have this season, Monopoli Saleng. Do you feel Uguti Orlando Pirates should have done better in January? And do you feel Uguti Ndaba Saleng they should have handled Landaba differently? Go January.
I feel sorry for the team to lose a person like Prasten. May his soul rest in peace.
Yeah.
Look, I was also one of the people that were talking with. I know Prasten, we are unombono wake in the team, and in that, I don't want people to be confused. In that of putting his weight in the team, he was also helping the team to do well. He knew how to put things together, to identify players that would come in at Pirates and do well. And by losing Ulonzo Prasten, I think it's like unokubona mabathi umuntu uphuke umqolo uyakrola manje akasakhona ukuhamba. That's what happened to the team because I think he was a pillar of that team of Prasten. He understands the culture of the team, the philosophy of the team, the way of playing, the type of players that team must come to the team and add value. Definitely, I'm 100% sure that if Prasten was there, January, the team was going to reinforce. Definitely. Because this is the thing, Shane, when you don't have people that they've been in the game, they've played the game, they've been coaches, and they understand the dynamics of the game. Sometimes it catch up with the team if you don't have people like that. And I think that's what happened. And again, Shane, look, let's not take it away from Adiba Tlabi. Skukune, Mamela. I like Eric, man. I like Eric. I like how he does his things. His game plan today was, I want to stop Pirates. If they are there for the taking, yes. But I want to make sure, and man of the match, the boy did very well. Mukhailwa, by closing down, he decided, he also played a very, I would say, a very important role for Eric. Because once King Ama 2000 get the space, get time, then he's going to hurt you. And then he make sure that, look, I close him down. And he was not in the game. He was not in the game. Nkota tried. And the other player, I don't want to talk about him, Shane. I'm sorry. I don't want to talk about him because
understand.
I know ukuthi kuzosuke kube nezinye izinto, but I so wish coach, can you please play Mabasa? Please. Can you play him? Doesn't matter. Yeah, I know he's the type of striker that he can chase up and down, you know. But one thing for sure is that if you give him that opportunity there in front of the goals, he will put that ball in the net. So can you play Mabasa? Because we don't need somebody that will make tackles. Then when we need to score goals, there's no one in the box. So we need Mabasa to come back and play. And yeah, well done to Skukune. Well done to Eric, well done to the technical team, well done to the players. I think what they wanted, it happened. Only one chance, boys. We get one chance, we're done, we close the shop. And that's what happened. Set piece, corner kick, we always concede. I don't know whether we learn from this or we don't wanna learn.
Yeah.
Remember, Uzwa, we always concede with set pieces. I don't know whether we don't want to learn or we don't know how to defend set pieces. Because even in the Champions League, we're out because of set piece. Again, tonight, we consider the goal, again, that's a set piece. Again. So, I don't know. Or maybe our coach is tired. Maybe our coach is tired. His mind, sailing in Spain, I just want to go and then be with my family. We don't know.
But so let's wrap it up.
Yeah.
Wrap it up. But Kengo, in just 10 seconds,
Yeah.
Itaú Julil, is it finished now?
Yeah, no, it's done and dusted. You know, if you won the league and you go the way Pirates did it tonight,
Then you don't deserve it.
No, you don't deserve a league. You know, you don't deserve a league. So well done to Skukune, 3 points, and yeah, Pirates. I think we have to try it again next season.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tso. Orlando Pirates all-time leading top goal scorer, and someone when I saw Osem Fagwako, who is about to break your record, is not playing at Orlando Pirates.
Shane, I mean, I don't care whether he comes in and break my record. The most important thing here is the team to achieve the goals that the team they've set when the season starts. So if it's about me being me, I'm not that person. I mean, I'm looking at the team needs to achieve, and then the individual awards they'll come back later.
Spoken like a legend, spoken like a true professional, someone who's played this game and someone who puts a team in front of everything. Thank you so much, Mr. Tso. And so, Orlando Stadium, it's Orlando Pirates 0, Sekhukhune United 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.